Okay, this is our day 19 update video. Everyone ate a little while ago, and probably most of them are going to stay asleep. But at least you can see what they're starting to look like now that they're moving around a little bit more. Yesterday we moved them into a playpen so they have more room to come out and play and sleep. Here we have, there's Mufasa. His name is Waylon now. So we're going to start calling him Waylon. And that's Minnie right there. Minnie's asleep. There's Belle. Under there we got Timon. And there we have Tigger right there. Mickey is right there. Next to, oh, and there is, let's see, that is Gus Gus coming out of the pile there. Big old yawn. He's starting to wake up. And we have Tigger. Here is Nemo. And that handsome guy there is Hercules. And here we have Belle. Belle, baby. Look up, Belle. Hey. And this lazy guy over here sleeping next to the stuffed Dalmatian is Simba. So this kind of gives us everybody quiet and sleeping. And we'll do another update video in about 3 days. Hopefully they'll be a little more active and walking around then. We won't get them so close after dinner time. So today is day 19. And this is everybody sleeping in their new bedroom.